This is Makeup Battle Season 1, the ultimate contest of brains, beauty, and creativity. Each week, 2 artists will put their skills on display in front of a live virtual audience hosted by Picture Studios. The winner of this head-to-head battle will advance to the next round for a shot at our grand prize of $500. The contestants are ready, so let the games begin. Hey everybody, I'm Crystal from Picture Studios, and this is Makeup Battle Season 1. I'm joined today by Kierra Paca and Crystal Jennings for a head-to-head makeup battle. Hi, ladies.
Hi.
All right, before we begin, I'm pleased to announce that Gavin Hans was the winner of last week's contest. He received 75% of the votes and had an average score of 4.5. Congratulations, Gavin. I also want to send a special thank you to Shelby Bailey, who did a fantastic job as well. Finally, I want to thank everyone who voted last week at MakeupBattle.com. Because Makeup Battle is double elimination, you'll see both contestants again next month against a different makeup artist. Now let's meet Kiara and Crystal. All right, Kiara, tell us a little bit about yourself.
All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Kierra Paca. I am 25 years old, and currently I live in Greensboro, North Carolina. I've been doing makeup for about since I was 16. I've been freelancing for about 8 years, and I just enjoy making people feel good about themselves, just enhancing their natural beauty, just seeing the reaction when we're done. It's just, warms my heart, and I'm happy to be here on the Makeup Battle Show.
I'm loving it. I'm happy to have you. All right, Crystal, tell us a little bit about you.
Well, I'm Crystal Jennings, and I'm the owner of About Face Makeup Artistry. I've been doing makeup for about maybe 5 or 6 years now, professionally. 45, going on 46. I'm originally from St. Louis, Missouri. What inspired me to be a makeup artist is that I used to go get my face made up all the time, and I thought it was cool to dress in black. That's when MAC was popping and everything. You would walk by and hear the hip music, and I was like, oh, I want to do that. And so I basically taught myself, and I take classes every time that I can just to become a makeup artist, and the gratification that I get out of it is just making women feel beautiful and confident.
I love that. That's great. Thank you, ladies, for being on the show today.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's start the show with Kiara's journal. This is a behind-the-scenes look at what she created at the studio. When the video is finished, we'll reveal the final look, and then Crystal will have a chance to critique it.
Hi guys, my name is Kierra Paca, and I'm one of the contestants on the Makeup Battle Show. I'm here at Picture Studios, and today I'll be taking you guys through a really pretty blue spotlight eye look using different colors of blue eyeshadows and a little bit of pressed glitters. I can't wait till you guys see the final look. Hey guys, today is the day, and I just arrived here at Picture Studios, and so we're about to go in. Alright you guys, so after I prime my face, I go ahead and start filling in my eyebrows. I'm using the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics to get a more natural feather-like eyebrow shape. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes, and as you can see, the brows are on and popping. The eyes were primed, and I went ahead and added 3 eyeshadow colors. There's a light purple up in the crease. Right underneath that is a lighter blue, and then the inner and outer corner are a darker blue. All those colors came from the matte book from the crayon case. This one right here. I already added my lighter eyeshadow primer right in the center to do my spotlight eye, and I'm going to add my pressed glitter, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, it's been about an hour and this is what we have going on right now. The eyeliner is the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the color white, and it is going to be a wing. We're just gonna wait to add the tail once we finish the face. And so I'm about to apply my foundation, concealer, and contour, and I will be back to update you guys in just a minute. All right, just popping in with another quick update. Right now, I'm waiting on my concealer to dry down. I give it about 20 to 30 seconds to dry down just so I can get the maximum coverage. I have a little bit of my Juvia's Place contour stick already on the perimeter of my face. The next time you guys see me, I will have a completed look with lashes and a lip. So just stay tuned. All right, you guys, this is the completed look. This is the eyes. I finished it off with some white liner and added a little wing, popped on some lashes and some brow gel just to give the brows a nice natural bushy look. The lips are just a MAC lip liner in the color Current with a little bit of Maybelline pink gloss with an Essence clear gloss on top of it just to give the lips that juicy look. I cannot wait to hear what you guys think about this look, and to see more like this, be sure to head over to my Instagram page at Beat by Key. You see the brand. Can't wait to see you guys soon.
All right, Kiara, what was your inspiration for this look?
So for this look, you can obviously tell that I love the color blue. It is my favorite color, my go-to eyeshadow shade whenever I'm doing my face. And I wear my Eva Eye protection bracelets every day. And as you can see, these have the two-tone blues in them. So this is where I pulled my inspiration from.
I love it. Love the blue. Love the blue. That was my favorite part. All right, Crystal, are you ready for the critique?
Yes.
All right.
Well, Kiara, I think you did a fabulous job. I really love the way that you did the brows. You kept them natural. You didn't use a whole lot of product on them. You know, it made them look dark. I don't like to see like dark brows myself because it makes a person look angry. I think you did a really good job on the highlighting and contour, and the whole color concept of the blues that you used was great. The only thing that I would say is that, you know, try to be more precise with your liner and not make the lines jagged. It just could be a balancing issue with your hand. Most of the time when I'm doing my own eye, I have to rest my hand on a table, because if I do it with it in the air, I tend to be a little nervous sometimes when my hand needs, you know, tends to be a little shaky. So you might want to try that. You know, take a look at your brushes and see if you're using the correct brushes on the blending, because you want to try to achieve a gradient effect from light fade to dark, dark fade to light, and just keep blending and blending so you can avoid any harsh lines, because you don't want to see, you know, where the eyeshadow starts and ends. You want it to be, you know, like I said, a nice gradient effect. But other than that, you did excellent.
Thank you. I wish you could have seen me in there struggling with that white liner. We had a time.
Yeah, I have not got off into the white liner. I purchased it. I've been kind of scared of it a little bit. I need to practice with it before I start putting it on somebody. But yeah, but that's the thing about makeup too. You know, sometimes even if you don't know what you're doing, you still have to jump in and just do it, you know, because you'll never know until you try. So, you know, good job on that one.
All right, ladies, now it's time for Crystal's journal. This is a behind the scenes look at what she created at the studio. When the video is finished, we'll reveal the final look, and then Kiara will have a chance to critique it.
Hey everybody, this is Crystal, owner of About Face Makeup Artistry. I'm a celebrity makeup artist, and today I'm going to be doing the look for the makeup battle with Picture Studio. So wish me luck. Here at Picture Studios.
getting ready for my makeup battle.
Okay, so I plan to do my signature look, which is the cut crease. I like the cut crease technique because it opens up your eyes. You can go crazy with the colors and it makes your eyes look like they're more dramatic. And so that's what I'm gonna do today. Okay, so I've already done my eyes, and right now I am doing my highlight and contour. I'm liking the way it's coming out, so we'll see. So I've already done my foundation, my highlight and contour, and I'm lining my lips. Okay, everybody, this is my final look, my signature look, the cut crease with the ombre lip. Vote for me, MakeupBattle.com.
All right, Crystal, what was your inspiration for this look?
My inspiration was earth tones when it comes down to like the browns, orange, taupes, beiges. And the reason why I say that is because that's safe for me on a daily look. That's my go-to look, and a lot of my clients appreciate it, especially my people who are not used to makeup. You know, because like if you do pink or blue or purple, it's kind of bold for them. And you know, like I said, we know it looks good, but they don't think so because they're not used to wearing makeup. And so earth tones, that's what I wanted to do. And that's what I personally do for myself when I go out. I try to stay, you know, in the safe zone. But that's what inspired me.
All right, I love it. You ladies both did a great job. I love the colors and attention to detail. All right, ladies, now it's time for Crystal's reveal. Kiara, are you ready to critique it?
Yes, I am.
All right.
Okay, so first off, I just love the overall softness of the look. I love a beat face that still looks soft and pretty. I don't know what foundation you used, but it looked like it had a really pretty velvet finish. The eyes were beautiful. I love how well blended and how you diffuse the colors together and how bold that liner was. I love a nice, thick black eyeliner without being like too thick because, you know, we can get a little out of hand sometimes. My only critique will probably be just on the lips, just with the brown lip liner, just to blend it a little bit more. I don't know if it has like something to do with just the consistency of the liner itself, because, you know, some can just be really dry. The KKW Nude 3 lip liner is a brown, really creamy chocolate liner. That one is bomb, and it just gives us like a nice blended lip. But overall, I loved it. It was bomb.
Is that one by ColourPop?
That one's, it's the Kim Kardashian line. I don't know how.
Oh, okay. I thought it was ColourPop. Okay, yeah. Because I won't say who I used, but that brand is kind of known to be dry and. But thank you. I struggle with lips, and people would, you know, tend to think that lips are not hard, but they are. They are hard. So yeah, I plan to start practicing more on the lips. I got to get that right. So thank you for letting me know.
Okay, again, ladies, you did a great job. And all right, I want to thank everybody for watching Makeup Battle Season 1. Make sure you tune in next week when we announce the winner of today's matchup. Next week, we'll have a competition between Kayla and Taylor, so be sure to follow our official hashtag, Makeup Show or Makeup Battle Show for updates. Bye.
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 ATR.